Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video we'll learn about what is backlog refinement meeting in Agile. So backlog refinement meeting is a kind of another Scrum meeting ceremony where the product owners, Scrum masters and development team will review and adjust the product backlog as part of this backlog refinement team. The main goal here is to ensure that all the backlog items are very clear, concise and prioritized also as part of this meeting, because if we do all those things, it would be very easy for the Scrum team to pick the right backlog to deliver during the sprint timeline. And also during this backlog refinement meeting, the team would discuss on various user stories or backlog items to break down further from larger backlog items. If they have, they will try to break down as much as smaller possible so that they can give the right estimation for the complexity using various estimation techniques such as planning focus or relative sizing mechanism. And also by having this backlog refinement meeting, the overall team can easily identify what are the various dependencies are there from one backlog to another backlog, and what are the risks associated with each backlog items, and what are the technical challenges we have early itself when they are planning or refining the backlog, so that they can very easily address those challenges in the sprint planning meetings. And normally this backlog refinement meeting will be held at least once in a sprint, so that they can refine those backlogs appropriately in Agile projects.